Employee shift management is always a critical part of attendance and leave management, especially for rotational staff. Decibel provides multiple options for employee shift management, helping you schedule shift quickly and efficiently. In this guide, we walk through how to perform shift scheduling using the Upload Roster option. After logging into Decibel, move to Switch to and select HR Dashboard. In the HR Dashboard, click on the Attendance and Absence Management. Inside the module, click on Attendance, then Control Panel, and click Upload Roster. Choose the company. Click on Download Template. Get the Excel file format needed for uploading shift. In the download template, employee ID, month, and year is mandatory. D1, D2, D3 column represent each day of the selected month. In each day column, enter the roster code for the shift assigned to the employee. Leave a day column blank if there is no change needed. If you have already scheduled a roster earlier and are making updates, only enter roster code for the day you want to change. You can schedule shift for one or multiple employees in the same template. After filling in the required information, save the Excel file. Navigate to Upload File. Click on Browse. Select your saved Excel file and click Upload File. If needed, you can retrieve your last upload file by clicking Get Last Uploaded.